Hello students, today we will do question number 1 of exercise 4.3 of your chapter simple equations. Now see, in this also you have to find the value of variable. Here y is the variable, so see, move one by one. See, plus 5 by 2 is there. Firstly move this one to the next side. Okay, see what it will become. 2y equal 37 by 2 plus 5 by 2 minus 5 by 2. Here plus 5 by 2, it will come here, it is become minus 5 by 2. So see, 2 and 2 LCM is 2, so 2 ones are 2, that above will remain same. Okay, now see, 2y equal this. Now 37 minus 5, what it will be? 32. Okay, now 32 upon 2. Here 2y is there, it will become 1 and 6. So now we are here 2y equal 16. That 2 is in multiplication. Go to the next side, it will become division. So the answer is 8. Okay, now see, 5t plus 28 equal 10. Here plus 28, move to the next side, it will become minus. So it will be 5t equal 10 minus 28. Okay, see, plus minus minus 28 minus 10, it will be 18. Okay, see, now minus the sign which is before greater. 28 is greater, so we will apply minus here. Okay, now see, 5t equal this. Here 5 is in multiplication. Move to the next side, it will be in division. So this is your answer. Next is, now see the next part, C part. They are saying a by 5 plus 3 equal 2. Here a is the variable. Firstly move this plus 3 to the next side, so it will become a by 5 equal 2 minus 3. Okay, now see, plus minus minus 3 minus 2, that will be 1, and the sign which is that will come of greater. 3 is greater, so that means negative sign will come. Okay, see, a by 5. Now this 5 here in division, move to the next side, it will become in multiplication. So what that will become? A is equal to minus 1 into 5, that means minus 5. A value is minus 5. Now see the next part. They are saying q by 4 plus 7 equal 5. Here q is the variable, you have to find the value of q. Plus 7 is there, move to the next side. Okay, now 5 minus 7, q by 4 equal plus minus minus 7 minus 5, that will be 2, and the bigger sign, the bigger value which has that sign comes here. Minus 7 is bigger, minus is there, so place minus. Q by 4 equal minus 2. Now this 4 is in division. Move to the next side, minus 2 into 4. 4 2s are 8. So Q value is minus 8. The next is, see the next part, E part. 5 by 2 x equal 10. Here x is the variable. See, here 2 is in division. Move to the next side, it will become multiplication. 10 into 2. See, now this 5 is in multiplication. Move to the next side, it will be in division. Okay, here multiplication, move to the next side, it will be in division. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10. So x value is 4. 2 2s are 4. Okay, see the next part. They are saying 5 by 2 x equal 25 by 4. Here x is the variable again. Firstly move this 2 which is in division to the next side. 5x equal 25 upon 4. Here in division, move to the next side, it will be in multiplication. Now in the next step, x and then 25 by 4 into 2, that is already there. See, here multiplication, move to the next side, it will be in division. 5 1s are 5, 5 5s are 25. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So the answer of x is 5 upon 2. Okay, see the next part. In the Z part, they are saying 7m plus 19 by 2 equal 13. See here, plus 19 by 2 is there. Move to the next side. We just have to find the value of variable. That's why we are just separating that variable. M is variable here. 13 minus 19 by 2. Okay, it will be 19 upon 2. Now see, you have to take its LCM. Here 1 is there. 1 and 2 LCM is 2. On one table 2 comes on 2. 13 2s are 26 minus 2 2 1. 19 is come here. Okay, 7m equal 26 minus 19, it will be 7 upon 2. Now this multiplication, move to the next side in division. 7 7 cut. So it will be 1 by 2. Value of m is 1 by 2. See, now we have done so many questions. Here plus 10 is there. Move to the next side. It will be 6z equal minus 2 minus 10. Now see, minus minus. When many negative integers are placing together, you just have to add them. 10 and 2, 12, and place that negative sign here. 6z equal to minus 12. Now z is equal to minus 12 upon 6. Now this will be minus 2. So the value of z is minus 2. Now see the next. Now see, iPad they are saying 3L upon 2 equal 2 by 3. Now here L is the variable. So firstly take that which is in division, move to the next side, 2 by 3. Here in division, move to the next side, it will be in multiplication. Now see in the next part you will take that. Here 3 is in multiplication, move to the next side, it will be in division. It will be in division. Go. Now 2 2s are 4, 3 3s are 9. So the value of L is 4 by 9. Next they are saying 2b upon 3 minus 5 equal 3. Now 2b upon 3 minus 5, move to the next side, it will be plus 5. So 3 plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 2b upon 3. Now you can find the value of b. Okay, firstly take that 3 to the next side, and then in the next step you will take that 2 down. Okay, now 1 and 4. So answer is 4 3s are 12. So the value of b is 12. In this way you can do that.